video is a super exciting one. I want to show you some amazing products I have received. I won them in contests or was just given to try them out, and I am not being paid for this video, but I just really love these products. I think these are amazing women that have made this makeup, and they're just strong, beautiful women, mothers out there doing their thing, and I definitely have to recommend them because their products are amazing, their prices are amazing, and they're just really awesome women. I have spoke with them personally, and I think they are so amazing. First, we're going to start out with the Suzette Cosmetics Moonlight palette. I used the glitters from this palette today. I used the silver and the pink, but I have used this whole palette. I have another video using just this palette alone if you'd like to check it out on my channel. Super pigmented, really beautiful. These glitters are amazing. As you can see, look how sparkly these are, and that's with no shadow underneath, just straight sparkles and glitter glue. Then we have the Gourmand Girls Batgirl Icta palette. Christina is so amazing. She's a wonderful friend, a wonderful woman, and half of her proceeds are going to like an animal shelter. If you use the code PR, you can get an additional 25% off. You can't go wrong. The pigment is amazing. Let me actually show you the product. Look at this palette. That's all I'm using for the color on my eyes. I used almost every color in the palette. Look at how stunning. The pigment is out of this world. I have another video swatching and just showing off just this palette alone as well if you want to check it out. And then last but certainly not least, we have Makeup by Shay. She's an amazing entrepreneur as well. I love supporting other women. I love supporting small businesses. If they're making good quality products for a great price, of course I'm going to recommend them. And if they're good people, I don't want to recommend somebody who's snotty or causing drama in the community. But these people I have seen be nothing but kind. They do giveaways all the time and get people out there trying their products. They're supportive, they like my pictures, they're just really wonderful women. I'm using this color right here on my lips. If you can see this really pretty sparkle. So they're so versatile, they're like a glitter pigment, but not too glittery, more like a shimmer. And then this white right here, this white shimmer is on my lid right here. Just really beautiful. And then there's like a chunky glitter at the top. This one is the Noel glitter stack, so it was for Christmas time, but she literally has glitter stacks for every occasion. She comes out with ones that are pastel. She has some neon ones that I'm dying to try. All of these companies are on Instagram and Facebook, and you can type them in: SuzetteCosmetics.com, GourmandGirls.com, Makeup by Shay. They're always having sales as well, so you really can't go wrong. We need to support our ladies, so definitely check them out. If you're interested in seeing these looks I created with these beautiful palettes, then just keep watching. Okay, so I wanted to create a really beautiful rainbow butterfly eye. I'm going to be using the Gourmand Girls Batgirl Icta palette and some sparkles from another palette. So let's just get started. We're going to start with the purple. Go to the orange. Look at that pigment. That was literally one swipe. We're into the yellow. I'm going to go into the green right here. I'm going to go in with this shiny blue here. Just using any like flat shader brush to cut the crease. So we have this so far. Okay, so now we're going to create the butterfly. We're going to go in with the purple, into the orange, yellow, and the green, back to the green, back to the yellow, back to the orange, and for the second wing, purple. Sparkly blue. Okay, we're going to use the Moonlight palette by Suzette Cosmetics, and we're going to use this stunning pink glitter. So we're just going to use some clear rhinestones. We're going to use some of the light pink rhinestones. Go on with the sparkly green here. Yeah, sparkly blue. Just putting some of the blue and green stars into the inner corner. Go back in with the Suzette Moonlight palette, and we're just going to use some of the silver glitter. Alright, now I'm just going to go over the rainbow colors with these colored glitters. I hate these jars. These wood things, you try to pull them out and they fall apart. We got the blue glitter. The yellow glitter. The blue. I'm going to test out this beautiful turquoise. I haven't used this one yet. Oh, that color is stunning. The Makeup by Shea glitter stack. This was from Christmas time. I believe it was called the Noel stack. And we're just going to use this beautiful white color. Love the sheen and the shimmer of this. It's so like classy looking. It's not like chunky glitter. I love chunky glitter too, don't get me wrong, but go in with the light green. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up. And then the blue. Clear my throat. The Makeup by Shea glitter stack again. We're gonna try this color right here. I just want to see what it would look like on my lips. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. So this is the final look. I definitely recommend all of these indie brands. These women are amazing that have their own makeup companies. I am so envious but so proud of them. I would love to have my own makeup line, so definitely check out Gourmand Girls. She is amazing. And then Suzette Cosmetics, check her out as well. Her products are beautiful. And then Makeup by Shea. All of these women are self-made and they're just amazing. Their products are amazing, really good quality and great price, so I definitely recommend them. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!